Before we begin, here are a few gentle reminders for anyone new to meditation. Start small. Even a few minutes can shift your whole day. Sit comfortably. Comfort matters more than posture. Let thoughts come and go. You're not trying to stop thinking. Use a simple mantra. Short phrases work best. Be gentle with yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a perfection. Take a slow breath in and let's begin. A mantra is a short, simple phrase you repeat silently in your mind. It becomes an anchor, something steady to return to whenever your thoughts wander. Mantras can be words, phrases, or intentions. For beginners, simple is best. Your mind likes to stay busy. A mantra gives it a gentle, calming task, something to focus on without effort. Repeating a phrase reduces mental noise, quiets overthinking, strengthens focus, creates emotional stability. Mantras also shift your internal state. The words you repeat become the energy you carry. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Choose a simple mantra. For beginners, use inhale, calm. Exhale, release. You'll repeat this silently as you breathe. Let's practice together. Inhale, silently say calm. Exhale, silently say release. Let the words move with your breath. Let them soften your chest, your shoulders, your mind. If your thoughts wander, gently return to the mantra. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Feel the phrase settle into your body. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Feel the quiet. Let the mantra guide you deeper into stillness. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Bring to mind one thing you're grateful for today. A moment, a person, a feeling, a small detail. Let that gratitude settle softly into your chest. You've just completed your mantra meditation. Have a beautiful day. If you found this helpful, I'm always here for you. Peace, hope, clarity.